Kroger with a little bounce here. Again, this is just a borderline one. I don't have an awful lot of volume in it. I'm just looking to trade something here to see how these home cats are working. They're working pretty good. Microsoft's not working at all right now as it's moving back up again. But again, I'm going to hold it till the Fed, until after the Fed. See what it does. It's still bearish on the daily chart. Still is Kroger short. I took an cat on and out of the money. Catalyst trade. It's up. It's up a little bit right now. Microsoft's gone against me. That's not working at all right now. I get in at 60. It's at 34 right now. I did Pepsi today. That worked. I did Warby today. WRBY. That worked nicely. I did Uber today. That was a nice one, pulled up by Roger. Very nice one. That was in at 43 out at 63. It's at 92 right now. But UPS is not working, and neither is Microsoft. So we'll give them some time. KR still coming down here. Again, I'm in this KR short. This is out of the money puts. All right, so market is SPY's moved back up right up to the pivot point again. Market internals are moving up, as we can see right here. This is working again now, by the way. This is working. All right, see if we have any more questions here. Again, very slow day for trading here. The day of the Fed, we got to wait to see what the Fed does. I'm just in right now. I'm in KR. Again, these are tests right now. I'm in KR short. That's an UMCAT trade, out of the money catalyst. Got in for 36, looking to go for 46. But anyway, we had a couple of those today that worked really well. I had Pepsi, which worked nicely. We had WRBY, which worked nicely this morning, and Uber, which worked beautifully today. In at 43, out at 863. It's actually at 87 right now. Amazon's moving up here today. The interesting thing here about Amazon, Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk race to bring data centers to space. They've got a team working on orbital data centers. Interesting. Kroger with a little bounce. Microsoft still moving up here. Coming up on a little after 12 o'clock. Spy again. Can't quite get through the pivot point there. Market's starting to come down a little bit. Market internals also starting to come down a little bit. This will show up here in just a second, probably. TC 2000 showing a little bit of a move down in the market internals.
Remember some commentary coming from Financial Times. It says Brussels raids Timu in foreign subsidy investigation. That's coming from Financial Times.
Uber's still coming down here. Still coming down. Very, very weak. Got support. Well, it just broke through support, 84.15. Got room down to 82 right now in Uber. Get some work going on in the house, so it's a little noisy here right now. Little noisy here right now, so I'm going to shut the mic off for a minute till we get done working. Uber's still dropping, by the way. I did grab some more out of the money puts on it, and just took profits in it. In 38 out at 48. Lyft coming down along with Uber as well. Again, I'm in and out of Uber one more time on the UNCAT trade. It's two of them on that one today. They're pretty nice moves there. Again, I'm out of it right now. I'm not going to chase it down. It's got some support coming up here. Well, 82. Still got a ways to go. But anyway, I'm out of that trade. There was two nice trades in Uber today. I wish I'd let the original one run because it went from 43 to $1.60. That's what some of these out of the monies can. You know, if the stock moves in your favor a lot, you can get some real big movement in it, obviously, because you're getting in cheap. And if it moves, that 84 put that we put on this morning for 43 cents to get out at 63, it's in the money now by Uber's trading it at 83.60. It's in the money by 40 cents. It's gone all the way up to $1.46. So that's pretty good. That's almost a 300-400% gain, something like that. Anyway, I'm out of Uber on the second one. I get in at 38 out at 48. Happy to take it. Again, just testing this methodology out, but so far so good. Again, UPS has gone against me, as has Microsoft, but all in all, these trades are working very well. You're going to have a few losers stuck in there, but I think we only had 3 going into today out of about 42. About 12:22 here. Again, it's Fed at 2 o'clock. Everyone kind of waiting to see what's going to happen at 2 o'clock. SPY has not been able to get through the pivot point. Right now it's coming back down toward the VWAP. Again, the market is trending down, as you can see. This is working now again. The VOLD trend. Market internals drifting down. Uber with a bounce. Microsoft's still going the wrong way for me. And UPS also going the wrong way for me, moving up a little. No, it is. I'm sorry, long UPS. It looks okay. Again, I'm out of Kroger. I get in and out of that one as well, I think. Wait a minute, did I? Kroger. No, I haven't got out of Kroger yet. Yeah, it bounced up a little bit. Kroger bounced up. I'm waiting for it to reverse back down again. All right, see if we have any more questions here. Again, it's coming up on 12:30. It's 12:23. WBD moving up here nicely today. The Warner Brothers Discovery up about 4.5%, closing in on $30, which was approximately the offer that they've gotten.
DARE Drip Post article out being circulated following their press release earlier. That's on DARE. Seeing a little volume coming into the name.
SPY coming down close to the VWAP here. core weave, which is falling here pretty hard. Right now about 5% today. Thing moves around a lot. It's still got the 8 and the 15 just below where it's at. Here's the daily chart on it. Core weave. So I'd be cautious with this one, but that's a pretty big, that's pretty ugly 5-minute candle right there in core weave. Remember, one candle does not make a trend. You've got to see follow through. Anything to be a trend. Costco coming in with earnings tonight. Costco has earnings tonight. There's that core weave running pretty hard. Again, I'm in Kroger short. It's just kind of bouncing up here right now. Also in Microsoft short, which has gone against me. Again, I'm out of my second Uber position. Yeah, it's still moving up. I took some more puts in Uber and get out. Very choppy market action now as we run up to about 12:30, an hour and a half to the Fed. You can see the market just kind of waiting, not doing anything. Again, I had 2 nice trades in Uber today for short. Those are UMCAT trades. I had another good one in Pepsi. Had a nice long trade in Pepsi that worked. And WRBY, Warby Parker, I had a nice UMCAT trade in this one this morning as well. That worked pretty nicely. Just looking for some more, but again, the market's going to tend to slow down now at lunchtime between now and the Fed. So Microsoft, I'll have to wait to see if we get a pullback in it. And Kroger too, to see if we get a pullback in it. CVS has been moving up. My premium's going up a little bit in CVS right now. Again, we took off the PDD today for a nice little profit, about 30%. Still in Google, which was strong this morning, and it's kind of backed off from the high today. It's actually down 26 cents right now, sitting right on the 8 exponential moving average, which is fine. we did close out PDD. KR, I took some out of the money puts on it this after just a little while ago, and KSS, which is the weekly ATM we put on yesterday for 23.50 is the strike price, trading right at 23.83. Right now, I think it's up money. KR. Let's see. Not KR. KSS. There it is. Yeah, we sold the puts for $79. Right now, you can buy them back for 45. So we're up about 25 cents on this. No, 35 cents. Up about 35. We're down on the long puts, 9 cents. So we're up about 25, 26 cents a contract on KSS right now. Again, this is something I'm just going to try to keep selling the 23.50s if the stock price stays around where it is right now. It's KSS right there. It's Kroger. Still in Kroger short. I'm still in Microsoft short. It's going up, and I'm still in UPS long, which is starting to bounce up a bit. And I still have CVS left over from yesterday, which is moving up a little bit. That's about all. Mostly just just test trades today. I'm just testing taking advantage of a day before the Fed, or during the Fed, before the Fed announces to try to do some more of these out of the money catalyst trades, because I need to build them up. I'm getting up toward 50 now, which is pretty good. Again, very good win rate on these things right now. You're close to 90%. Pretty hard to play the indexes today at all with the SPY Super System. You can do it off of stocks if you can find some stocks that meet the criteria. Like Tesla's just all over the place here. Uber coming back down again. Again, Uber's been a good one for a short today. Taking it a couple of times. This was a nice entry right there for an entry. Right there for an entry. Pretty nice. Lyft is also weak today as well. All right, it's about 12:42. We're gonna get lunch here in about another 10 minutes or so, as we get wait for the Fed to come at 2 o'clock. See if we have any questions here. Hey James, do I usually exit positions? It depends. I'm not going to exit. I'm not going to exit Google. I'm obviously not going to exit the KSS. And as far as my the catalyst trades, the out of the money catalyst trades, I'm going to hold them because we could get a big move either against me or for me. But these are cheap. These are inexpensive. I don't have much risk on any of these things, so I'm probably going to hold those if I don't get out before that. I've already closed quite a few of them today for really nice profits, so I'll probably hold the others. But on general positions, I try to have as few. Like I'm not putting on any more swing trades right now. There's no way I'm going to put on any swing trades until after the Fed and after Powell's meeting. I want to see what the market's reaction is to it. I want to see what they're thinking about any further cuts. We want to see what how the market reacts to the not necessarily the cut we're going to get today, but to the verbiage after that. That's going to make a big difference because the market's been pretty squirrely here right now. So we haven't run up to a new all-time high, so we'll see what happens. So I'm just going to wait and see on that. YouTube. Look at some YouTube question here. Hey Alex, what criteria do I look for in the out of the money cal? I'm not going to talk about that except in the room. I'm not trying to be a pain in the butt or anything, but it's a new strategy I'm working on. I don't want to share it generally, so I'm just going to share the criteria, and I'll put a video for members of the room once I get it up and going. But again, it's not something I want to share generally. It's something new here. I don't know that very many people use this or are aware of it, so I'm not going to go into the criteria. But I hope you understand. SPY, just again, this is just a bunch of chop. You see the SPY is up 0.02%. Q's down 0.24%. Q's a little bit weaker. IWM also coming back down a little bit, but up 0.1%. This is just a flat market, waiting for the Fed, and that's all we're doing here right now. Just waiting for the Fed. Microsoft bounced up from the lows this morning. Again, I'm out of Uber now. A couple of beautiful trades in Uber. We had a nice trade in PDD. That was a nice exit we took this morning on PDD. Notice how it's bounced since we get out of it. Took a nice profit. Took about a 30% profit on that, and that worked. The timing was great on that because we get into this on the 4th. They expired this week, and we didn't really have much movement in it. And then today we got a nice slush down this morning, and we took advantage of it when we get out. And it pretty much did what I was anticipating it would do based on technicals, because this is a very weak setup. But it was moving along the 8 here, and we really weren't going anywhere. We finally get down below the 200 yesterday, and then bounced back up, and then today we gapped down, and we took advantage. And again, we had support down here. We got out right about at the low. That was a good exit for us this morning. Oh, see you later. See ya.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good week. Have a good holiday.
You too. Thank you.
Okay, you got me gift? Yep. Okay, good. I'll take it. You got other things
Oh,
to do.
thank you so much. Thank you. And you snuck out. Uh-oh. I forgot to.
All right. You get the it's Christmas over there. Nothing. I just seen it. The Christmas gift. All right. Had to run outside for a minute. So I'm going to get some lunch here and grab some lunch. So be back in time for the way back. Well, I'll be watching the market, but obviously 2 o'clock's coming up. About an hour and 5 minutes to the Fed. Market bouncing, by the way. All right, I'll be back in a bit. I'm going to grab some lunch. I'm going to shut down YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube folks, for being here today.